Hey guys, Sally here. I'm here with Lisa in Limbo. Say hi to the people, Lisa.
Hello.
Hey, just another great stop in Fort Wayne. I just thought I'd share it with you. Lisa saw me do the Fort video and reached out and said, hey, that's my hometown. Let's hang out. So we did. There you go. We are outside of Dayton, Ohio, north of Dayton a little bit, and I think it's Fairborn. That's the visitor center for the Wright Brothers National Historic Park Memorial Site. This was originally conceived like 1912, but there was a big flood in Dayton of the Miami River in 1913, and so it was postponed for quite a long time and didn't get built until 1938. And Wilbur Wright died unexpectedly in 1912. Orville was here for the dedication. I think it was on his 69th birthday that got done. So pretty cool looking. Let's go check it out. And Kit's gonna run right up the steps. Wilbur and Orville Wright, in commemoration of the courage, perseverance, and achievements. Through original research, the Wright brothers acquired scientific knowledge and developed theories of aerodynamics which, with their invention of aileron control, enabled them to build and fly at Kitty Hawk, the first power-driven, man-carrying airplane capable of flight. Their further development of the airplane gave it a capacity for service which was established aviation as one of the greatest forward steps in human progress. As scientists, Wilbur and Orville Wright discovered the secret of flight. As inventors, builders, and flyers, they brought aviation to the world. Interestingly, they had a lot of patent claims they had to defend pretty strongly. And so they flew the original flight at Kitty Hawk, enjoying your kit cam. But then they came back here to the Huffman Prairie Field, which I think we're going to get a glimpse of if we walk out to the end here, and tinkered and perfected and made huge improvements after that initial flight at Kitty Hawk in 1903. Biplanes to rocket science here on Wright Brothers Hill on all sides. You're surrounded by the vast research complexes and runways of the Wright-Patterson Air Force Base. Problem solving done here since 1917 has taken aviators from Huffman Prairie Flying Field to the moon and back. In the early 1920s, the Cook Field near downtown Dayton proved too small to be safe for further experimental aircraft work. Community leaders formed the Dayton Air Service Committee, bought a whole bunch of lands surrounding the bluff and donating them to the federal government in 1924. Wright Field was built then, keeping the Army Air Corps engineer brain trust in town. So why Dayton, just in case you're wondering? Because Orville and Wilbur Wright grew up here. This was their hometown. And I've been to Kitty Hawk. What are you looking at, Kit? So the Huffman Prairie Flying Field lies to the right of the Huffman Dam, which is the long earthen barrier we see straight ahead of us there. The dam is one of 5 retarding basins built by the Miami Conservancy District after the catastrophic 1913 flood. This dam, along with many miles of riverbank levees, protects downtown Dayton from future inundation. Because the land behind this dam can go underwater if the Mad River should rise, and because there are active Air Force runways nearby, Torrance Huffman's pasture has never been developed. Today, visitors can see the oldest of all flying fields, much as the Wright brothers would have known it in the early years of the 20th century. They've got a picture here of what Dayton looked like March 23rd, 1913, when floodwaters reached 12 feet deep in 1 week. 375 lives and property worth $100 million were lost. Pretty amazing.